Hi there, this is by Ellipse online learning platform, and in this video we will be discussing atoms and molecules. These are two fundamental concepts in chemistry. So let's get started. An atom is a basic unit of matter. It's the smallest particle of an element that retains the chemical properties of that element. Atoms are composed of nucleus and electrons. Nucleus contains protons and neutrons, whereas electrons are something which orbits around the nucleus. For example, a carbon atom has 6 protons and 6 neutrons in its nucleus and 6 electrons orbiting around it. The number of protons in an atom nucleus determines the element it is. Carbon, for example, has 6 protons, which makes it an element. Molecules, on the other hand, are made up of 2 or more atoms chemically bonded together. The atoms in a molecule can be the same element or they can be different element. Molecules have different properties from the constituent atoms. For example, oxygen gas O2 is a molecule made up of 2 oxygen atoms chemically bonded together. Carbon dioxide CO2 is another molecule made up of 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atom chemically bonded together. These molecules have properties that are different from individual atoms that make them up. One key difference between atoms and molecules is that atoms are the building block of all matters, while molecules are the smallest units of compound that can exist on their own and retain their properties. Molecules are made up of atoms that are chemically bonded together. To summarize, atoms are the basic unit of matter and molecules are made up of 2 or more atoms chemically bonded together. The properties of molecules are different from the properties of individual atoms. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.